So, good day po sa lahat. Ang topic natin ngayon ay basic background for Henry's classification at saka blocking out. Now, take note, Henry's classification was used by the different department or agencies as one way of personal identification or proving someone through fingerprint. It was created by Sir Edward Richard Henry. So, ito yon. Ang Henry's classification is may anim na formula. Primary classification, secondary classification, subsecondary classification, major division, key classification, at saka final classification. Now, take note na itong mga iba't ibang formula na ito ay may iba't ibang solving. Aside from that, itong iba't ibang formula na ito ay hindi mo pwedeng i-interchange. So, ito yon yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng Henry's classification. Key, major division, primary classification, secondary classification, sub, at saka final. Now, take note, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na kailangan hindi siya pwedeng ma-interchange. Dapat edge to edge. For example, ito, key classification must be on the extreme left portion, while the final classification must be on the extreme right. At take note na hindi ito pwedeng baguhin. Ito na yung pinapakita ko sa screen. Ang first na ating gagawin is yung primary classification. Pero malalaman natin yan sa susunod paano gagawin. So, hindi siya pwedeng baguhin. Ang pagkakasunod-sunod ito ay dapat key, major, primary, secondary, subsecondary, at saka final. So, ito na yung ating kompletong formula or kompletong result kapag natapos natin yung anim na classification, yung Henry's classification. Ito na yung, pag natapos natin yung solving, ito na yung lalabas. So, nakadepende yan ha. Nakadepende yan sa fingerprint. So, assume lang ito na natapos na. So, as you can see, yung ating key classification is nasa extreme left, while ang ating final classification is nasa extreme right portion. Now, take note na hindi to pwedeng i-interchange. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin or ibalik ta rin. Gawin mong key classification, yung final, yung primary naman, ilipat mo doon sa kinalalagyan ng key classification, hindi yun pwede. No, ito yung tamang arrangement. Now, take note, as you can see, lagyan din ng light blue na highlights. Itong 18, which is our key classification is more on number. Ang primary natin, number. At saka yung final natin is number. While ang ating namang major is more on itong red na highlights. Yung naman yung ating major division is more on letters. Ang ating namang secondary is more on letters. While ang ating subsecondary is more on letters also. Topic natin for blocking out. Yung sa blocking out naman is ipapakita ko dito kung paano kayo mag-blocking or paano yung mga signs para hindi kayo malito pag nasa fingerprint card na. Take note that operator use the term block out or blocking out para sa marking ng each pattern or symbols. Okay. So, these are the symbols that will be used para doon sa ating fingerprint card. So, take note na. Alam nyo naman yun, no? Alam nyo naman yung mga different kinds ng patterns. Yung meron tayong tatlong major pattern. Meron tayong arch. Sa plain arch, meron tayong plain arch at saka tented arch. While in the loop, meron tayong radial loop at saka ulnar loop. While sa whirl, meron tayong plain whirl, double loop whirl, central pocket loop, whirl, at saka yung accidental whirl. So, these are the symbols. So, ito yung symbols, ano? Sa plain arch, ang gagamitin is capital letter A, tsaka small letter A. Then, third arch is capital letter T, at saka small t. Radial loop R, capital letter R, at saka small r. Then, ulnar loop is yung slant line or diagonal line. So, nakadepende yon kung saan yung flow. Whirl is always in capital letter. So, rule number 2 is in blocking out is that index finger is always capital letter. So, the rest dyan is small letter na. Maliban sa whirl, in which is, whirl is always naka-capital letter. Alam nyo naman yun. So, ito yung pinapakita ko sa screen, ito yung mga symbols. Tented arch, radial loop, plain arch, at saka yung whirl. At saka yung ulnar is yung slant always yon. Okay. So, all other finger, except for index finger, it must be placed for every pattern that is small letter. Except for whirl, in which is, ang alam nyo naman, ang whirl is always capital letter. Ibig sabihin, yung ating thumb, yung ating middle, ring, at saka little finger, must be in small letter pagdating doon sa fingerprint card or pagdating sa blocking out. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na ulnar loop in any finger are designed by diagonal line, yung slanting. So, nakadepende yon either left or right hand. Whirl in any finger are always capital letter. Okay, so ito yung placement ng finger, yung naka-flash sa screen ninyo. Now, take note na ang right hand at saka ang left hand is mayroong proper placement. Hindi mo pwedeng i-interchange yan. Ang right hand, take note ha, ang right hand is always on the top. So, ang placement ng right hand is first number sa thumb, index, middle, ring, at saka right little finger. While, ang sa baba naman na placement doon sa fingerprint card is kailangan yung left hand is nasa baba or ang paglalagyan ng left hand or fingerprint ng left hand is nasa baba. Okay. So, ito yung mga nakikita nyo sa screen is mga different kinds ng mga pattern. So, nilagyan ko na lang dyan, assuming na ayan yung mga pattern. Or ito yung mga fingerprint. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo sa screen niyo, ito yung sample doon sa fingerprint card. Assuming lang natin assume natin na yung itong mga nakasulat na plain whirl, double loop whirl is mga fingerprint yan. So, na-classify na, kunwari. So, gagamitan natin yung blocking out or yung mga symbols. Now, as you can see, yung whirl is always yan naka-capital letter. So, ilalagay yan sa ilalim na portion ng fingerprint. So, sample activity number 1, nakikita nyo sa screen. Now, ito yung mga different kinds ng mga pattern. Then, kanina nalaman natin kung paano or ano yung mga placement ng mga fingerprint impression doon sa fingerprint card. Yung right hand is nasa taas, yung left hand is nasa baba. Na mauuna sa right hand yung thumb, index, middle, ring, and little. Kapareho din sa left hand. Now, ang uunahin natin gawin is yung blocking out. So, paano ba yung blocking out? Yung blocking out na sinasabi is, gagamitan natin yun ng mga symbols. So, ano yung mga symbols na sinasabi natin? Yung mga ipinakita ko kanina na mga symbols, yung capital letter, pagdating sa index, small letter, maliban doon sa index. So, unahin natin munang isolve yung nasa right hand index at saka nasa left hand index. So, makikita natin na ang nasa right hand index is radial loop. So, ang rule is, kapag nasa index finger, is always yan naka-capital letter yung blocking out or yung symbol na nasa blocking out. So, kaya nailagay natin yung capital letter R. While sa ulnar loop naman, or yung sa left hand natin, nakalagay dun na pattern is ulnar loop. So, take note na kapag nasa fingerprint card, at mag-blocking out tayo, slant or diagonal line yung symbol ng ulnar loop. Kaya nakalagay dito sa sample activity number 1 natin is symbol. So, yung nakadepende sa flow, yung ulnar loop. Okay. So, next is, pagdating naman sa plain arch. Punta tayo sa plain arch sa right hand thumb. Okay, so plain arch is small letter A. Then, middle right hand is R, small letter R, para sa radial loop. Then, para naman sa ring finger or sa right ring finger, tented arch, small t. Then, sa right little finger, plain arch, A. Then, we'll go to left hand, radial loop, small r. Then, tapos ng index finger. Then, left hand, radial loop, left hand, middle finger is radial loop. So, ang symbol is small letter R. Then, next is tented arch, left hand ha, tented arch, small t. Then, plain whirl, which is, ang rule ng plain whirl, kahit saan mapunta, is, it is always capital letter. So, we will try to answer this one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At ito po ang sagot sa ating previous activity. Tandaan po natin na kapag blocking out po, ay meron tayong sinusunod na mga symbols. Tandaan rin po natin, yung ating whirls is kailangan nakakapital letter yung symbol. Aside from that, yung ating ulnar loop is hindi letter, kundi symbol ng slant line or diagonal line. Aside from that, lahat-lahat po na pattern na malagay doon sa ating index finger is kailangan nakakapital letter. Finger naman po sa ating thumb, middle, ring at saka little is kailangan small letter. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat na nakapanood from the start till the end of the video. Thank you for watching. For more notification for next topic, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the subscribe button below. Thank you.